The Nelko Label Maker Machine P21 is a compact, wireless Bluetooth label printer designed for home, school, and office use. This 2025 new version is smaller and lighter than traditional models, offering convenience and portability. It features direct thermal printing technology, eliminating the need for ink or toner, and delivers sharp black and white labels with a resolution of 203 dpi. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, the P21 connects through the Nelko app, which provides over 90 fonts, multiple languages, and more than 450 materials and templates. Users can create custom labels with text, QR codes, barcodes, images, and borders. The device supports various label sizes and includes an internal cutter for clean edges. It runs on a rechargeable lithium polymer battery and is designed for durability and ease of use without relying on cloud services. Ideal for organizing personal items, office files, school supplies, and small business needs, the Nelko P21 offers a user-friendly solution for clear, professional labeling wherever you go. Its portability and versatility make it a valuable tool for anyone seeking efficient organization.